Welcome to my channel, The English Expert. Example is better than precept. उपदेश देने से अच्छा है उदाहरण देना. किसी बात को सिखाने और समझाने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है उदाहरण देना. मैं यहाँ पर आपको इंग्लिश सिखा रही हूँ, तो इस वीडियो में मैं डायरेक्टली आपको बता रही हूँ कि ट्रिप टू ऋषिकेश को कैसे इंग्लिश में हम बोल सकते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. A few days ago, we went to Rishikesh as it was in my bucket list. We, our neighbors, and a few others wanted to visit Rishikesh, so we booked a bus. You can rely on public transport. It makes our lives convenient and easier, and it is cheaper also. So we booked a bus. Before heading out to Rishikesh, we bought a few food items so that we could enjoy eating and drinking on our way to Rishikesh. So we reached Borari at 8 a.m. Then we boarded the bus and our journey started. On the bus, I took out my phone and started scrolling. I wanted to do something productive, but I ended up my fingers scrolling on my mobile endlessly and mindlessly. On the bus, I saw that some people were scrolling on their phones. Some were looking confidence boosting videos, while some others were zoned out. Some were trying to catch up on some sleep, and after some time I also tried to catch up on some sleep. Then our journey had been a fantastic journey, and then we stopped, but after some time we faced a few hiccups. The tire of our bus got punctured. Then the driver told us to get down from the bus, and we all got down from the bus. Then the driver and the conductor together changed the tire. Then while they were changing the tire, we were making different poses and clicking the photographs and enjoying the beauty of nature. When they changed the tire, we all boarded the bus again and our journey started again. We reached Rishikesh at 11 a.m. Then first of all, we all were hungry and we went to a restaurant. The restaurant was filled with the aroma of food. The aroma of the food was making me feel tempted. I saw chole bhature. Chole bhature, seeing chole bhature, my mouth started watering. Then we occupied the chairs and we ordered chole bhature. After a few minutes, we got our order and we ate chole bhature. It was a decent breakfast. We ate to our fill. It was tasty, delicious. Then we started exploring the city. First of all, we went to Bharat Mandir, Bharat Temple. Then we saw that it was packed with people. We visited the idols of gods and goddesses there. We bowed down our head in front of the idols. We also offered some money in front of the idols. And the temple priest gave us prasad, the blessed food. Then we came out from there. Then we had a boat ride. Riding on the boat, we came to the other side of the river Ganga. We had a bath there. And then we saw that nearby the river bank, cans were sold to fill Ganga Jal. So we also bought a can and filled it with Ganga Jal. Then we saw the Swargashram and we visited Ram Jhula Bridge and Lakshman Jhula Bridge. We were amazed to see the craftsmanship of the engineers. It was amazing. And the wonderful thing that I saw in Rishikesh were the foreigners. We saw some foreigners in Rishikesh. Seeing them in our country was a really very nice experience. It was giving us happiness from within. I can't describe it in words. Then I wanted to talk to them and I went near them. So I talked to them and I felt really very happy after talking to them. They told that some of them told that they have come India to explore it, while some others told that they came here to learn yoga, as Rishikesh is the yoga capital of the world. So we visited the marketplace and we bought a few food items for our journey back to home. As we didn't have any plan to stay overnight, so all of us boarded our bus at 6 p.m. As our bus didn't stop anywhere because it was getting dark. So we reached Baradi at 8 p.m. and from there we went to our home on foot. And it had been a fantastic journey. When we reached our home, I told my husband that I don't have any stamina to cook food. It's better to order food from the hotel. So my husband ordered karahi paneer and butter naan. And then my children started seeing the photos and videos captured in the mobile phones. It had been a very nice trip. Then I made tea for everyone and gave it to everyone. We were sipping tea and feeling very happy. We were very tired but very happy. Then at 9 o'clock we got our order. We ate to our fill. It was very nice, tasty meal. Then I told my children to sleep and watch the photos and videos the next day. And then we all plopped down on the bed and slept. So that's all about my trip to Rishikesh. So, what are you waiting for? Just as I have described my trip to Rishikesh, you also start practicing these sentences. And don't forget to share your progress with me in the comments below. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.